My dear students, welcome to chemistry class. Today I am going to explain p block element. Let us study halides. The general formula, one of the characteristic of group 15 is halide. General formula of halide is MX3 and MX5 and its halides are covalent in nature except BiF3 which is ionic in nature. BiF3 is ionic. Greater the oxidation state, greater will be the covalent character. Hence, MX5 is more covalent than the MX3. One thing is important here, PCl5 in solid state exists as PCl4 plus and PCl6 minus. The stability of halide is like this and the Lewis acid strength is this. Lewis base strength is Ni3 is most basic and NF3 is least. Here is the bond angle of Pi3 is much greater than that of PF3. Nitrogen is inert at room temperature due to high bond dissociation energy. This question has been asked in board exam many times. Keep in mind, in nitrogen molecule there is triple bond between two nitrogen and therefore its bond dissociation enthalpy is quite high and therefore it is inert. How nitrogen gas is produced? Nitrogen gas is produced by the reaction between ammonium chloride and sodium nitrite. By heating ammonium dichromate, nitrogen gas is obtained. Barium azides, metal azides, on heating metal azides we get nitrogen gas. Methods of preparation of ammonia. Here are the properties of nitrogen. These are the reactions, important reaction of nitrogen, out of which last two reactions are reversible in nature, and which ammonia is produced, and the formation of nitric oxide from nitrogen and oxygen are also reversible in nature. Ammonia is manufactured by Haber's process. This is the most important method for the manufacturing of ammonia. At 773 Kelvin, high pressure and low moderate temperature is required. It is carried out in the presence of iron catalyst and molybdenum that serves as promoter to catalyze the catalyst. The enthalpies of standard enthalpies of formation is minus 92.4 kilojoule per mole. Ammonia is also produced by the ammonium carbonate, the decomposition of ammonium carbonate, and this ammonium carbonate is produced from urea in the soil. This is the structure of ammonia. It has pyramidal shape due to lone pair of electron and the bond angle is of 107.8 degree. Here are the properties of ammonia. Ammonia reacts with water to form ammonium hydroxide, which is basic in nature, and it is a mild base that dissociates into ammonium ion and hydroxide ions. Zinc sulfate, reaction of zinc sulfate with ammonium hydroxide gives zinc hydroxides. Similarly, ferric chloride with ammonium hydroxide gives ferric hydroxide, precipitate of ferric hydroxide. Copper plus 2 ions forms deep blue solution with ammonia. Similarly, silver and chloride ion forms white precipitate of silver chloride, which combines with ammonia to give a complex which is colorless in nature. That's all today. God bless you. All the best. Be happy. Be sharp.